Welcome back. In this episode, I'll turn a 1990s TV stand into a usable jig for taking the tops off my pallet wood boxes. So tag along. So here you can see the box before the lid's taken off. And I've done this numerous times before, but always just freehand. And I thought it made a lot of sense to do something to keep my fingers out of harm's way. I've set the blade height so it just comes short of going through the edge of the box. This way later on I can use a utility knife to make a clean cut. In this next step, I'm just trimming off the excess parts of the box that I've cut. Here I'm attaching the inner rim of the top of the box that will friction fit in the bottom. Thanks for watching.